Alrighty guys, it is time for our degenerate video of the week. We might as well, it's Friday, it's a beautiful day today, we might as well break down 3 stocks that are about to squeeze, potentially, keyword there's potentially, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market guys, keep that in mind. So we got to break down what's going on with these 3 stocks, we'll break down charts, my thoughts on these stocks, how heavily shorted each of them are, and without further ado, take a sip of your coffee, cheers guys, let's get into the video. So stock number 1 here is good old Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. And you most likely notice a trend amongst these heavily shorted stocks. A lot of them are down massively, right? We've seen little squeezes here and there, but for the most part, well, I guess the third one on this list for today's video is not down a lot recently. We'll get into that in a couple of minutes, but this one is down a lot from $116 back in, when was this? September. It just hit $18, guys. This thing is down. We're talking over 80%, and that's not even from all-time highs. The scary thing is Beyond Meat's all-time highs were hit back in 2019, just about 3 years ago, at about $240. So from all-time highs, Beyond Meat's down over 90%. So this is a stock that, number 1, I can't say this enough, guys, is very speculative. And number 2, it's very heavily shorted, meaning if they report some good news, EPS comes in better than expected, maybe their losses are, shrinking or, tightening, getting closer to profitability, maybe their revenue is expected to grow more. I don't know, guys, something, right? Maybe some positive news comes out and the stock ends up squeezing. In other words, people need to cover their short position and buy back their shares, and that could send the stock soaring. And recently, although this might not be, and it probably won't be, the thing that shoots up Beyond Meat, but recently they did do a campaign, or they're currently running this campaign with Kim Kardashian. And guys, before you think, oh, is Stas shilling Beyond Meat right now? I am not shilling Beyond Meat, guys. We're just having fun with this video, right? So Kim Kardashian is featured in a new campaign by Beyond Meat as the company's first chief taste consultant, guys. First chief taste consultant. You guys can see it right here for yourselves, right? Today they announced that professional tastemaker, icon, and entrepreneur Kim Kardashian will be featured in their new campaign as an icon synonymous with impeccable taste in food, fashion, beauty, and more. Kim will highlight the brand's delicious, nutritious, and sustainable product profile or portfolio with her signature recipes and engaging creative content. And to be honest, guys, I'm not too sure. And full disclosure, I don't own Beyond Meat right now, and I don't plan on ever investing in this company long term. Let me just put that out there. But maybe I'll trade it in the future. But one thing I do know is there is no way this stuff is nutritious or it's healthy. I mean, look at all of the ingredients that is in Beyond Meat. Just some food for thought, right? No pun intended. Just go look at it. There's a bunch of crap in there. For me, I'm not a vegan, I'm not a vegetarian, and I'm not against anybody that is a vegan or a vegetarian. You guys can do whatever you want. USA, baby, it's a free country, right? But look, for me personally, I think the label, I think there's too much crap in there, too many chemicals. And vegans, I know because I've talked to them, vegetarians as well, they look at Beyond Meat as kind of, it's not healthy. It's not supposed to be healthy. They eat it as a once in a while type of thing. It's not supposed to be a daily thing, which I guess could hurt their business model long term. But, we'll see, I guess, with time. We're not going to dive deeper into that in this video, but with time, that could be a problem. So yeah, they're gonna run this, they're gonna run this promo right here. I watched the commercial. She tasted it. I don't even think she even bit it in the commercial. I think people are trolling her online right now. I don't know. But yeah, that's something about Beyond Meat right now that I guess is positive. But overall, I don't think that's going to be enough to really start moving the stock to the upside quite yet. But who knows? Maybe with earnings coming up, anything could really happen. And another thing worth mentioning is if we get an overall relief rally in the stock market, guys, stocks like Beyond Meat And a lot of these speculative names, they're going to rebound the most aggressively off of their current lows, and who knows how long that's going to last, when that will happen, or even if it will happen, who knows. But it will, I think, in my opinion, Beyond Meat will rebound aggressively, and it could open up as a nice play there. So that is BYND, Beyond Meat. The next one here is ICPT, which is Intercept Pharmaceuticals, which, like I mentioned, a lot of these highly shorted stocks, they're getting devastated lately, but not all of them. ICPT is one of them that it's been uptrending lately. Look at this. It's riding that 180 moving average. It does have a very high short interest, 36.9%. I think I forgot to mention Beyond Meat short interest is over 40%. So this is very high short interest, guys. We're talking very high short interest. So ICPT at this point in time, look at this. It's holding an uptrend right around $16.50, $17. It's currently up on the day when I'm filming this. It's up 3.5%. And in my opinion, well, I guess it's not really opinion. Look at the chart here, guys. If this starts breaking out of this little downtrend that it's been in since, when was this? The middle of May. It's been making lower highs. If it starts breaking out of $18 to the upside here on the 10-day, you guys can see that is going to be where it starts breaking out towards $20, maybe even higher. And at that point, who knows, maybe shorts start to cover. We've seen big moves in the stock happen many times. And I think I've covered this one before in these, squeeze videos that I make, because it's been doing pretty well, right? Obviously, we don't call everyone perfectly. Most of these actually don't end up panning out. I know it's crazy, but most of them don't end up panning out, but some of them, they do. And ICPT is one that you can see squeeze like crazy from $15 to $24 just about 2-3 weeks ago, and you can see many other massive rallies that it has seen. So I have my alert set at $18 for this one. And the last one, which is another one we recently called out, I think 2 videos ago, 2 short squeeze videos ago. I forget exactly when, guys, but we talked about Vertex Energy. This is one that's at $14 right now, and it recently got to $16. And I think when I was talking about it in my recent video, it was right around maybe $11, $12 a share, and it ripped all the way to 16. So Vertex Energy right now is 33% short interest, very high short interest, guys. And this is another one that's not downtrending. It's actually uptrending, and people are betting on it collapsing, which it might collapse. That's the reality. The cold hard truth is Vertex Energy has gone from $3 to $16. It's gone up hundreds of percent. It might collapse, and that is why it has very high short interest. A lot of people are betting on that, which it could easily happen. But as of now, it's not happening. It's uptrending. It's riding both moving averages. We have cooled off a little bit from 16.20 to 14.30. It is down about 12% in the past couple of days, but it's still above the moving averages. And as long as we hold 14, there could be a pop coming right around the corner. But the second we break under, let's say 14, the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour as well, we might be filling that gap down to about $11, right around that 180 moving average, which, to be honest, for the stock, that would be healthier for that to happen. And then maybe we start to see a rally off of that 180 SMA. But right now, it's not doing that yet. So we have to play it as, okay, it's holding 14. Let's see if we get a breakout from here, which we haven't gotten that breakout yet, but this could, rip very quickly. We know that with these high short interest stocks, so we got to watch out for that. So overall, that is it. Beyond Meat, 40% short interest. Intercept Pharmaceuticals, almost 37% short interest. And we have Vertex Energy right around 33%. Crazy numbers, guys. So with that being said, we're going to wrap the video up. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, drop me a comment if you all found value in this video and you want to get some free money, and it also helps out the channel. Use that link down below. Deposit at least $100 with Moomoo, and you get up to 5 stocks, each up to $2,500. And if you deposit at least $2,000, you get a free share of Twitter as well, guaranteed, on top of the other 5 stocks. And you could also get 6 stocks from Webull and join my Patreon. All of that link down below. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Good luck in the markets today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.